guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you some information on how to grow your own kombucha SCOBY at home. First, you'll need a glass container, a small glass container. This one is just 3 cups. You need a paper towel, a rubber band, and the container, use vinegar and some boiling water to sterilize it and let it air dry. Then you purchase a bottle of raw refrigerated, preferably in a glass bottle, or it should be in a glass bottle, of plain or original kombucha. There's several brands out there. You can try different ones. Okay. Then you pour it in the container. Just pour the whole bottle, or you could start off with a cup. Put the paper towel on there, seal it with a rubber band, and it needs to be able to breathe. That's why we're using that versus the original cover of the container. And then just let it sit, preferably in a dark room temperature closet or cupboard for about 2 weeks, 14 days. And then you should get a new SCOBY. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'll take it out of the container just so you can get a better look. And when you're brewing kombucha, guys, it's best to use, you can use your hands as long as they're clean. It's best to use a wooden spoon or wooden utensils. Do not use plastic or metals. It's a little bit tricky, so let me get something else. Okay guys, this is what the new SCOBY looks like. It's just very jelly-like, and it should be about 1/4 inch thick, which shows that it's mature enough. And the liquid that you grew this SCOBY in will be your starter liquid, so you'll need to keep that to get your new batch started. Okay guys, if you have any questions, please write them in the comment section.